inclusive and fair, reflecting the diversity of our society. Or self-driving cars making mistakes because of a software glitch. These errors can lead to accidents, putting lives at risk. It's crucial that we address these issues before they become widespread. We gotta be careful and make sure AI is safe and fair for everyone. This means rigorous testing, ethical guidelines, and constant vigilance. Only then can we harness the true potential of AI without compromising our values or safety. Section 4. Introducing the 60-second AI safety check. Good news! You don't need to be a tech whiz to care about AI safety. Introducing the super simple, super quick 60-second AI safety check. Just like checking your smoke alarm, this quick check helps you stay safe and aware in the age of AI. Easy peasy. Section 5. Your daily dose of AI safety. In today's fast-paced digital world, it's crucial to stay informed and vigilant about the tools we use every day. AI is becoming an integral part of our lives, and with that comes the responsibility to use it wisely and safely. Ready? Here's your 60-second routine. A quick and effective way to ensure you're practicing good AI safety habits daily. 1. Think before you click. Before you interact with any AI-powered tool or service, take a moment to consider its source and purpose. Is it from a reputable provider? What data is it asking for? This simple step can prevent a lot of potential issues. See an AI-powered tool? Take a moment to understand what it does and how it uses your data. 2. Spot the bias. AI systems are not perfect and can sometimes reflect the biases present in their training data. Notice something unfair or biased in an AI system? Report it. Your vigilance can help improve the system for everyone. Your feedback helps make AI better for everyone. 3. Stay informed. The world of AI is constantly evolving, and staying updated is key. Read up on AI safety, even if it's just a quick article or two. Knowledge about the latest developments and safety practices can empower you to use AI responsibly. Knowledge is power, my friends. The more you know, the better equipped you are to navigate the digital landscape safely. These small steps might seem simple, but trust me, they add up. Each action you take contributes to a safer and more ethical AI environment. Let's make the future of AI safe, fair, and awesome for everyone. Together, we can create a digital world where technology serves humanity in the best possible way.